There are numerous ways of traveling across the city of Delhi. You can travel by the bike rickshaws, which I would describe as a tricked out motorcycle. Or you can use a auto rickshaw, which is one of these yellow and green three-wheeler vehicles. They're easy to navigate in traffic. You can take a bit higher. But by far, the most affordable and quickest way to see Delhi is by using the Delhi Metro. There are 6 lines crisscrossing across the city. When you take the Metro, you're not only saving time and money, also helping to save the environment. The United Nations has recognized the Delhi Metro for its reduction of greenhouse gas emissions. I'm heading to the Metro. Starting at 5 in the morning, the Delhi Metro operates over 2,700 trips daily, ending at 11:30 each evening. In 2014, Delhi Metro was ranked second among 18 international metro systems in terms of overall customer satisfaction in an online customer survey. The average distance traveled by a Delhi Metro commuter is 17.99 kilometers. It's easy to use. Automated station announcements are recorded in Hindi and English. In 2019, Delhi Metro was ranked among the top 10 busiest metro systems in the world. In July 2019, Delhi Metro saw a total of over 59 million people using the metro in one day.